Hello and welcome to Shiny Crochet. Today I will be covering how to change colours, which is a useful technique for expanding your crochet skills. I will be using US terminology. Please refer to the description below for translation to UK. This video will show how I change colours in the row with single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. There are a variety of ways to do it, which will change how it looks in the end, but I have found that the following works best for me. To begin, I am working with orange yarn and need to change to black. I start the stitch that the colour change happens on, hook through, yarn over, pull through, then I prep the other yarn, loop through like it is a yarn over, and pull through. Hold the two tails on the wrong side, or the side that will be less visible. For this project, I am going to need the orange tail at the other end, so I will put that under and continue working as normal. This technique can also be used when changing to a new ball of yarn or removing a bad section of yarn. Now at the other side, I will do the first half of the stitch, then drop the black to the other side and pick up the orange to finish the stitch. For this pattern, we will turn at the end of the row and work back along here, so I will not continue the black underneath. But some patterns you will need to do that. So that is the single crochet. Now let's cover the half double crochet. In a similar way, we'll be working along the row. Then when we get to colour change, we yarn over, hook through, yarn over, pull through, then pick up the new colour, dropping the other to the other side. Yarn over with the new colour, pull through, if needed, run the second colour under. Continue along as normal with the new colour. And if we're changing back, we do the same process of starting the stitch as normal. Then when finishing, pick up the second colour. And that's changing colour with half double crochet. Now we will finish with double crochet. Work along as needed, then when it gets to the colour change, yarn over, hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, pick up the new colour, yarn over, and pull through to finish the stitch. Drop the other colour to the back or running it underneath. Continue on with the rest of the row or until you need to change back. And if we're changing back, we do the same process of starting the stitch as normal. Then when finishing, pick up the second colour. Well, there we have it. That's how I do colour changes. Sometimes I'll switch it up a bit to change how the colour looks on the outside, but this is my normal method and the one that I used with my giant tiger plush pattern. See the card above? or in the description below. I hope this has helped. If so, please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a detailed comment below. Have a lovely day!